Hey, what's up? I'm back again to do another comparison. A couple people have asked me to solo the treble pickup on both the 4003 as well as my 4004 because the treble pickup on the Rickenbacker is so distinct. I'm muting out the bass neck pickup on both guitars and just soloing the treble on both. Okay, so here we go. Same test as last time. Same guitars, 4003 Rickenbacker and a 4004 Rickenbacker. That was a 4003. Okay, turn to standby. Okay, turn on. Okay, same thing. I'm soloing the treble pickup. That means it cuts out the neck pickup, the bass pickup, and you're only hearing the treble pickup on the 4004. Okay, that's the difference. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope this helps out. Thank you very much.